856 standby. He may be coming back out to Colonel Lynn.
Drive 32 to 37.
TBI.
Put your hands up right there.
Get the fuck out.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. I got something.
Fuck down. Shut the fuck up.
TBI, Colonel Glenn Bowman.
Man, shut the fuck up.
Hey, I don't work for Alexander PD, do I, bitch?
Nope. You learned today, huh? Learned today.
The state police is now Alexander PD. Isn't that right? $15 to $64 net. I need 10-11 for a reason. Three stars. Hey, what's going to do with the blue sticker on the side that says state police, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I see your car's going to look real good with a blue sticker on the side of it.
Outside the same car. Can I call him over?
Nope.
I can't.
Call your mom from jail. Good shit, bro.
Is it in park?
Yeah, it's in park.